Alright guys, I don't know if you saw in the live stream, I had a live stream KC meet and greet, KC meetup, something to that effect. But Catloco, he was there, he was the one I was doing the meet and greet with. He gave me this set of Steelman Pros. They're the Cobra. I couldn't wait to open it, you know, on camera. Well, I kinda did. I opened it during the meet and greet. But yeah, these right here are the highest tooth count in the industry. 160 tooth. Just so. Yeah. And this thing right here is illegal in New Jersey and New York and California because it's an assault ratchet. This is the Cobra AR half-inch. Yeah, if you chuck this at somebody from like 20 feet and hit them, there's no coming back from that. They wouldn't even be able to fix you at KU Med Center. But yeah, this right here, this whole thing's a hammer. I mean, soft grip hammer, soft face hammer, and then good old steel. That's I want to see how much that weighs. Alright, so she's all teared out. That's 1 pound, 13.5 ounces. So that right there is about a 2-pound hammer in your hand that can remove bolts. Man, I think it's killer. It's good for your headache. Okay, so one thing I noticed about these two is that head, that sumbitch is in there tight. I mean, look at that. Can you see? There's no weeble wobble this way. There's no weeble wobble that way either. I mean, that's ridiculous. You see that? See how she moves? Not so bad sideways, it's all up and down. And that's a snap-on ratchet that's playing it. But this Steelman Pro, no. Let's try the 3/8, maybe. No. That's some pretty damn tight tolerances for that. That's awesome. Got the little guy. Yeah. There's like the slightest bit of play. Here, count with me. I counted 185, I must have went a little further. Yep, there's 160. Yeah, thing comes in its own blow molded case. Even though you don't want to carry it in this because of fucking ratchets. They were too heavy. But yeah, you can set this down in your drawer. Have them sitting there. I don't know if you could. You'd have to do some reinforcing on this to like hang them up on a pegboard or something. But they'd stay in there. Yeah, that's a hell of a nice set. I've seen these before and I've always wanted some. But thanks, Catloco. Yeah, he's a good guy. I like him. You should probably like him too. I'll go ahead and leave a link in the description for his channel. Probably one of those little floating Christmas balls there at the end. Have his picture in there, his logo. As always, like, comment, share, subscribe. Love, hate, hardknocksforge@gmail.com. But don't send me any panties, because they never fit. Oh yeah, guys, and these Steelman Pro, you can find them on Amazon. I think they're regularly like 80 bucks. But if you know the secrets or can figure out what the hell is going on, I think they run like a 2 or 3 hour special on these in the middle of the night for like $24. Check out keepa.com for your Amazon wish list. They'll let you know whenever the price drops on something. KEEPA.com.